Hey, what's up, guys? This is a hydrogen water bottle. It's supposed to put H2 or hydrogen into your water or infuse into your water. A lot of people are starting to use these because of claimed benefits of increased hydration and increased energy. I haven't used it long enough to notice any of those types of differences yet, but it is a really cool idea. If you're looking for a really neat gift to give someone, definitely this is a cool thing to check out because the packaging it comes in is like a really nice looking, pretty gold gift box. Is a really nice solid product. It feels good. It has a kind of a silver-ish chrome type look cap or display, maybe like a brushed nickel finish on it. The actual bottle is glass and it's really easy to use overall. So pretty much all you do to use it is, first thing I did was wash it when it came, but you take off your lid and pour in some water. I just dumped in a bottle of Dasani. I think it holds, I'm just guessing, around 12 ounces of water, I think. You'd have to double check the listing, but I think it was around 12 ounces. I had a 16.9 ounce bottle of water and it didn't take the whole thing. So yeah, guessing around 12 ounces. But anyway, it's really easy to use. Fill it up with water. And then you want to make sure before you first use it that you charge it all the way. So it has this little charging port on the back. So you plug it in, it turns red. When it's done, it turns green. And then when you're ready to use it, it just has this little button on the front that you push it and you'll see a blue light come on to show that it's working. And then you'll start to see all the little hydrogen bubbles floating from the bottom of the water bottle up to the top. One thing that I want to point out for you is that when you use it, to actually hydrogenate, whatever, add the hydrogen to the water, you want to take the lid off because it does build up pressure. So I almost forgot about that, but I read it in the instructions. So either take the lid off fully and set it aside, or you can just unscrew it so there's a gap at the top because it does have a rubber seal. So if you have it sealed up, it'll build up pressure and can break the glass. So just make sure you don't have it sealed up all the way. The total process is around it was around 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes or so, and then it goes off. So I tried it, I tasted it after that. I did notice a difference in taste in the water from it being in a Dasani bottle to going through the process here, the hydrogen addition process. I can't say for sure if it added or how much hydrogen it actually added to the water. I don't have a hydrogen meter or tester. I do have a TDS tester that I use to check it, and it increased. So it did increase the total dissolved solids, but I don't know if that's not necessarily an indicator of how much hydrogen that got added to the water, but it did do something. It made some difference to the water, again, between that and knowing the difference in taste. So it definitely did something to it. But overall, I think it's a really cool looking product. It feels heavy duty and sturdy. And again, I think overall, if you're looking for something that's a really good gift idea, just looks and feels really fancy. So it's a nice product.